What's up, guys? Your boy Casey, and today, hey, it's been a while, guys. Turning what's in a post, but as you can see, I have a guest in the building. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guest in the building. Tell us your name. Tell us your name.
Yeah. So my name is Pteyn.
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 Pteyn. Inyoti wanu afana tukuziva.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, the Pteyn is written Pteyn.
That's a lot of
Pteyn, yeah.
Oh, that was a fool, why you eating your Gagasani? We found Tongo Sian.
Yeah, kind of. No fun of Sian. So fun is really unique.
Oh man, I tell you, what's your own name in the description, guys? Yeah. So he's an artist, guys. Tokutan, R&B, Tokutan.
I would just say Afrofusion.
Afrofusion. New genre in Zimbabwe. Vashoman vanonyanya kuiziva but loti vazowanda isn't because vananga tongoti tingoda vari kuhaipa
kuti vazive new sound.
Why is this? Vafana kuziva new sound.
Possibilities atogona kuona.
Vafana kuziva ma-underrated artists. Vafana kuvaziva, guys. Go and check it out. Use music. YouTube channel yake classic Pteyn.
Yeah.
So today, we are in the building, guys, and to react a song. In fact, 2 songs. So the first one is Wash Out. Yeah. Well,
it's a solo. Wash Out.
So anything you say like Wash Out.
Wash Out. Basically, Wash Out. I took it in a sense of to clean. Wash out, clean. So it's like wash out my sorrow. Yeah, man. So it's kind of considered relationship, dating.
Okay.
She gotta wash out my sorrow. It's a love song.
Yeah. It's a love song. It's a love song, guys. Wherever you go, guys, I'm going to know what's a song of this. Wherever one number player in a one. Manje, what is saying? But I don't go to it because wakatira risingo muzongona next week up to
next week. Yeah,
mujula motivated.
Yeah, man. Wash out.
Wash out.
Yeah.
So go and check it out. Wash out. Buddha amazing. So I'm gonna check up
Spotify on all digital streaming.
All digital. So please, guys, go and check it out. Please. Wenza mungu nzongumana. Plus unova same mood like right?
Yeah, same mood.
And angokusira chimuta afana tongoziva kumana we excited
kumana kumasvingo. I come from Masvingo, by the way.
He's from Masvingo.
Skaya kwarari bus.
Yeah, makayarari bus. Sara chimuta. Yes, so go and check it out, the music. So let's get straight into the song, guys. And I'm not having to obvious, never to want a song. Sara, yes, let's go.
All my life I knew that I would find you in this scary world. I knew that you were safe and I kept all my love. So I'll give it to you. Yeah. All my life I knew that I would find you in this scary world. I knew that you were safe and I kept all my love. So
okay. I do love it.
Yeah.
I do love it. So can you check it out to your resume? I'm love it.
Yeah. Basically, I was in love for this time.
Yeah.
I was in love, but then that's how I write.
Okay.
Yeah. Even the same love, even dream love.
Oh.
Yeah.
Same love, no man, you are.
Oh yeah, I can. In fact, I always do, considering like I've been singing for a while now, and I'm making good music, love song. So I can definitely make.
Guys, that's a good trick. I talked to some playlist.
Yeah.
Wash out.
Yeah.
So
this is the first verse.
Oh, this is the first.
Yeah, it's up in the first verse. Like, this was the intro.
Oh, the intro. Okay. And the chorus, chichi.
Yeah.
Aye. And wins.
Give it to you. yeah. Oh yeah, it ain't easy to be out there. Uchingo yimba kuti she's there. Uchingo yimba nziyo yingwe. Girl, I couldn't find what I found in you. In all these places that I've been. Everywhere I've been looking for. Perfect reason to believe in for. Yeah. I'll protect you, baby, oh. I will fight for you, baby, oh. Make you happy cause you wash out my sorrow. Wash out my sorrow.
I'll fight for you.
Yeah. I will fight for you, baby, oh.
Okay.
I'll protect you, baby, oh.
And protect you for
Protect and fight, yeah.
Managa.
Yeah.
I think my ladies mukuzinzwa mfana to sins.
Yeah, from
Take notes. Never zero mdolo. Yeah, take notes, guys. Go
Take notes.
go and listen to this track, guys. Ish. Ukayinzwa unotopinda mlavo.
Unotopinda, yeah.
Ukayinzwa, let's say you're single this whole week, then you listen to the song.
Yeah.
Chichi, fight for you.
Fight for your protection.
Okutupa mono pressure is akutona next step.
It's like I'm even my baby, okay, tell you that song here. You don't know it, I will crash. Yeah, confidence. I got it.
Already paid him, Baba.
Yeah. That's the motivation.
Motivation team. Okay. Let's. Yes, I.
Wash out my sorrow. Wash out my sorrow. Wash out my sorrow. I'll protect you, baby, oh. I will fight for you, baby, oh. Make you happy cause you wash out my sorrow. 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 Love can do things money can do. Another band, girl, I put it on you. Another gang, got the eyes on you. Got the bus for you, got the price for you. Shape, you got me feeling like
Yeah. Mama Zirima Baza.
Yeah, man. Another band.
Shit.
Yeah, man.
I'm telling you, ghost out.
Yeah.
Unopinda mlavo uri single so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So Afrofusion should be like singing this type of sound and
Yeah, this type of sound. Basically. Like, yeah, it's a fusion of almost all African.
yeah, so
Fusion. Like, you just find a balance between takura chitera sungura, chitera whatever, zimdancehall, chitera jit, chitera even Afrobeats. Gadzira chiwana creativity.
Okay.
Motivation by the African elements.
Pachibuda wani yako genre Afrofusion.
Yeah.
Shit. This is very creative. Creative, mama. So imagine unotongoya even uri another artist, you come with your own sound. Same don't find Tando.
Yeah. I really like Tando's music. It's been doing good. Yeah. So that's it. You just find your space and try to maximize that space.
Okay.
Giving it a name, it's up to you. Considering I'm a hip hop, I'm a rapper, it's up to you. If you don't wanna categorize yourself, just say I'm an artist.
Okay.
But I chose Afrofusion.
Okay. Hey, artist. I'm gonna name my artist, man. Yeah. Nice one.
Fela, Rudoro Singambo Peda, Rudoro Singambo Feda, yeah. Now I'll be your hero. Build out in any war. Yana Niko, Vangachi Pute Chirangano, Rudo Uruchipo, Kupai Nichido. Girl, you won't share it, yeah. In our lifetime, I swear. Just as I know, Tandino Kupa, Kwesa Kwando Inda. Baby, cause you wash out my sorrow. Wash out my sorrow.
Hey, so beautiful feeling there.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Naspa, he produced this track.
Oh, Naspa is the one.
Yeah.
Shit.
Shout out to
Man,
Naspa,
I feel like Naspa is so underrated producer because akagadzira mabhaka, you, Ovesa now, K-Flow. Yeah, even an XQ guy, Nati, Tami Moyo for it.
He's doing great. I think
Yeah.
he's the future. He's taking the broad top.
Yeah. I shout out to Nas. Shout out. Keep doing his amana guys music and msazonyararo man. Be consistent.
Yeah.
Kind mango. But so that go for so maybe we free for the studio session and stuff. Because of your still some battle.
Yeah.
Some fun in the office and I need times in that post.
Yeah.
It's like
You'll be having other commitments.
you see, but you know, other people won't understand because they'll be like,
Gotta keep on.
you want to see it, but I want to talk, guys. That you borrow busy. As long as you focus on it, you know, but in other things, there's some artists obviously.
Same skill.
Kind of
Consistently. Yeah, we have a lot of projects to do right now. I think it's time.
Shit.
Yeah, my songs are fun.
Hasa to have They should be ready, guys. My projects are guys. I'm telling
fire
you.
projects for them.
I'm telling you, my kids. So I can name not man. Please. Okay, let's go.
Sorrow, wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow. I'll protect you, baby, oh. I will fight for you, baby, oh. Make you happy, cause you wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow, wash out my sorrow.
Transfer my background.
Vocals.
Background vocals.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, what is saying? Would you class with a background vocals? So.
Can I wash out my soul?
Nigga, please, man, now to the
Yeah.
How do we come? But anyways, I slow deep piece. I slow deep That's wash out.
Yeah.
I want to check out your page.
Yeah.
Do you have any EP like?
Yeah. Like I released an EP last year.
Saka tutorials of the EP.
Yeah.
I'm fan of this EP.
Yeah, man.
Because really EP man, I don't wonder.
Yeah,
it's like more than 3, 5. So guy 1 to 5 chunguzo baba. Chipinda system.
Yeah, boss.
Because him knows about the one ganizela.
Tokubuza ukuthi inini ndindi kutoziya ya.
Love it odayenzo
ukuthi zifambe
awuthunguba amabhasi enkomana okanophaka.
Kanoba mungu manje.
Nakuthi uyu. Yetaka yethu.
Because love is the fundamental part of life in that.
Yeah.
Mungu wesifika is to love.
And
it's your girlfriend, it's your sister, it's your brother. You gotta love them. So it all comes back to love. So that's why we do love songs.
okay. Saka the same chungu down whatever.
Yeah.
Information about love.
Information about love. Yeah,
And
we
what to
divert
do.
sometimes, but then mostly it's about love.
Man, like ukungozi yauti people are not towards our songs. My songs because love, yeah. Amazon upisa kala.
Upisa.
Saka yeah. Please go and check it out, the song and other songs. Subscribe to his channel. Follow him on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter.
It's classic Pteyn.
It's a classic Pteyn.
Classic Pteyn.
I want to know spelling in the description.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So, guys, please, I set up it. Talking about the other Easter egg. You know the Jesus. Singing period. Yeah. Miratino no yinzo. True reaction. So, like, share, subscribe to his channel.
Pteyn signing out.
Pteyn in Hawaii. Yes, Hawaii. Yes, sir.